Good afternoon and welcome to this session. I'm glad to be here with you. I'm going to present you in this 25 minutes this Salesforce and Blockchain integration for development of a credentials verification system in education. Such a long name for this session. I want to explain to you why we are developing such a solution, and I think I'm going to present myself. I've been working in ISDI, which is the company I will present you in a few moments. I'm head of innovation and data right now. We're working in new technologies. We are trying to make the most of these technologies to develop a new business layer. And I'm not the technical guy, even though I'm an engineer. I'm not the CTO, so if there are many developers in this room, please, I don't know if I can answer you the technical questions. I think today I want to present you in an inspirational way why we think that it makes sense to integrate Salesforce and blockchain. What's the benefit of that, okay? ISDI. ISDI is a business school, international business school. The headquarters are in Madrid. We have offices in Barcelona, Mexico, and we have recently opened a new office here in Paris. My colleagues are there, and we are official partners for Certified, for training and for the Salesforce certificates. And we have a lot of issues. We also have acceleration for startups, mentoring, training, B2B, B2C. We are just focusing on digital transformation, and we need to be the reference for that. It's not only about training, but also deploying new solutions to train our students. And we're working with many new technologies. Let me show you a short video which shows, I think, very well our vision on technology. And this is our vision for this year. It's like a bit of Black Mirror or something, but we did it, we're working on that, and this is true, it's not science fiction. Okay, yes, we're doing facial recognition, it's real. But that's another story. Today I'm going to focus on one thing we saw in the video, and was blockchain. Why we do that. But first, let me tell you that we've been working with Salesforce for a long time. We work with clients in terms of clouds. we have everything, every operational area of our company is working with that. So we have centralized database, everything is there, and we have part of Einstein, social media, everything, ecosystem, communities, everything is there, and it's working, you know, in a unified way. And that's and once we have that stable, it's we had a thought that was last year, 1.5 years ago. We have an inspiration because there were many news about politicians worldwide who claimed they had you know, a fake degree, and that was a kind of storm in Spain and other countries. So we thought, why is it so difficult to validate real time that I have a degree or diploma or something like that? Let's take that I tell you that I'm theoretical physicist at Princeton or something. It's so difficult for you to validate real time that I'm telling the truth. So we thought, is there any way that we can provide our students with a, you know, real time link or whatever, so anyone can validate in a second that they are telling the truth? And that's what we thought. And we started working on this solution. That was first a prototype, and then we released the final solution. That was last year released. It was very easy. We have a diploma, and we hash it, and we store it in Ethereum. And we developed a front end, a website, a public website, so anyone can go there and drag and drop the diploma, or you can enter the transaction ID in Ethereum, or you can just have a link or a QR or wherever. You go there and you validate real time. Okay, this is true. If you change one single pixel in that diploma, so the system will tell you it's fake. It's not validated or guaranteed by ISDI. Okay, so that was great, but we thought it's not enough, and we started working the solution for this year. Even if this is, you know, secure, I still, as a business school, as a university, can, you know, deliver a fake diploma. So if I store a fake diploma here, you can check it. So we thought, can we still store more relevant info from our students in Ethereum? So we thought that we could store the digital track of our students, because they are living data along the journey with us. It's about attendance, it's about you know, the grades, it's about how they work in groups. So we have a lot of data in our system. So we thought that we already had real-time validation, but we thought that with all those data, we could build a gamification process, which will be, you know, will be stored in blockchain. And the idea, I'm going to tell you the idea in a few slides, but we also have transparency because all your data is there. So the promise is like, can we make you, student, the owner of your data? And that was the question we wanted to answer. And we also wanted to have a diploma backup. If I can store all information about the student in Ethereum, it's not only about the diploma, it's like this diploma, there is a person behind this diploma. This person has soft skills, has you know, some deliveries, they have some soft skills, they have some story with us. Okay, and that was the idea, so to make it more transparent and secure. Moreover, we can use it for marketing because it's like telling the world that ISDI, our students, have a new value-added service, a new layer of service for them in terms of security of data. So how we did it? So we have Salesforce, and we have a lot of integrations. We have several sources for that. We have get feedback to rate the classes and the teachers and everything. So the system is automatically sending a survey at the end of the class. And we also have the online canvas, where we have all the academic information. We are, driving all those data into our Salesforce, Sales Cloud, and we deployed a new app. The new app has a rules engine. The idea was, can I group the data I have from a student to generate something new called a credential, a badge? We wanted to, to deliver recognition. And the idea is that if I can group some data, I can generate something that you can spread. It's like, I did it, I was the best student, I was the most collaborative student, I attended all classes, everything can be, translated into a badge. And that was the idea. You don't have to wait to the end of your student journey to finish your degree or something. In the meantime, you are generating relevant information about yourself. And we want to secure those data too. So we developed a system so that Salesforce and blockchain are communicating each other. It's like giving Salesforce superpowers. Why? Because Salesforce is a private database. And we wanted something outside. We wanted some data sets to be outside from Salesforce. So, in this way, we can provide something new. It's like relying on a distributed database, which is the most secure database in the world. And it made sense for us, right? We also developed Community Cloud, so the students can have a private student portal, and they can check all the information they have, all the information we have stored in blockchain, the badges, the credentials, everything, okay? And we also use Pardot to communicate with our students and teachers and tell them, you did it, you have a new badge, a new credential, right? So the system is working, together to do that. For us, a badge, a credential, is just a JPEG and metadata that describes what's that. And this is what we hash, and this is what we store in Ethereum. The hash of the hash of the hash, and it's there. It's anonymous. No one knows what it means. The relation still is in our database in Salesforce. Okay? The relation between this entity and the student and the course and everything. Okay? I don't want to scare you with this slide, but it's just it's a summary of the solution, because we also we have developed a gateway between Salesforce and blockchain, so we can connect to any blockchain network. It doesn't matter if you are going to public network or a private Ethereum. It's up to us to define where we want to store those data. In this example, this is the private network that we have, the private Ethereum, and it's because of costs. If we are storing so many batch, it's not efficient in terms of money to be all the time going to the public Ethereum. So but we could do that. Okay, it doesn't matter. We can choose any network. Roles. These are the use cases we thought. We need to have solution for the ED staff, the academic responsibles, because they are the ones to define the rules. The system is open. You can define any batch. It's not, if you have a program, you have different batches. You have different criteria to deliver credentials. We also thought of the students and teachers, which are the ones that get the badges. Okay, so we have another use case, and anyone could be anyone out there, a headhunter, a talent responsible, a friend of yours, who sees in your Facebook or LinkedIn that you have a new badge. So there is another use case for anyone to validate that. Okay, it's public. So this is the interface for the academic staff. We have developed this app so they can define any badge here, any credential. You can give it a name, you can define the graphical design, the edition, the program, the criteria, everything can be defined there, okay? It's very easy. This is an example. Let's take that I have 4 rules that have to be fulfilled to deliver this badge, kind of to approve the first course or something. When you fulfill the criteria, Salesforce automatically send a notification to our students, Bovary, Samsa, and Barlow, okay? Another use case. You will be getting a lot of badges, right, during your journey with us. So, and they are different. You can have first one, welcome to the masters, batch 2, course digital marketing passed, best grades, best backbone project team, wherever. You can have as many as you can achieve, right? More, real-time public badges validation. The idea is that when you get a badge, you get a notification from Pardot, then the idea is that you can share, you can tell the world, I did it, I have this skill, and anyone can validate on a website. This is an example of a notification, an email that the student can get when he or she get a badge. As you can see, you see you can download it, you can go to our Salesforce communities, you can go to the validator, and you can share it in social media, right? So this is an example of social media sharing. This is Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. You can share everywhere. The more you do, the better for us. Credentials validation. This is an example of the website, the public website we have for anyone to check that that badge is real. For example, if I click LinkedIn, the link, I will go there, and I can do several things. As I told you, I can drag and drop, or I can just, through the link, check it. The system will go to check to Ethereum, and after that, it takes a couple of seconds, 5 seconds, no longer than that. I can get the badge, okay? And I can verify, I have the name, I have the transaction ID. If I were kind of more technical, I can go to Ethereum scanner or something and enter the transaction ID, and it will be there, okay? Forever, unchangeable. What else? Ecosystem portal. This is Salesforce communities. Every student and teacher, this is also for teachers, okay? Because we want to award our best teachers too. They can also tell the world I'm the best teacher or the best rated teacher or wherever. So all of them have has an access to the private portal, and this is what you see when you enter that. This is my my dashboard as a teacher, and there are many things to do, but there is one section called my blockchain badges. If I enter that, I can see the badges I have earned, the different ones, and also, very important, I can decide if the badge will be at the end of the program stored in the public Ethereum or not, okay? Because we want to be sure that anyone has the possibility, and we want the students to be owner of the data, okay? So we don't force them to do that. Very important. Not only that, those are badges I have earned, but there is another section where you can see the badges that you could earn if you do some things. That way, it's very good to gamificate the program itself and to kind of make the students do some specific actions that we want to improve their education with us. Okay. 2 more slides. Yeah, perfect. 5 minutes. This is where we are going right now. What I told you is already in production, is working right now with our students. But we want to go further. And the idea is that we still haven't the solution to tell the students you are the complete owner of your data. Why? Because the solution still needs to be validated within our Salesforce database. We have the relation between the student and the hash and everything. So the question is, what if, hypothetically, tomorrow ISDI shuts down? We would like to tell our students that even if we don't have any Salesforce anymore, you still will be able to show and validate your diploma and credentials even if we don't exist anymore. And for that, we're going to use this IPFS solution. It's a peer-to-peer solution, and we're going to store our website, the validation website there, and also all the relationships between our students and the hash and everything. That way, when we do that, we will be fulfill that promise. They will be forever owner of their own data with us. And finally, Q2 next year, hopefully, we're going to do this is my dream. It's to develop ISDI cryptocurrency, ISDI tokens based on the same solution. And it's about not only giving recognition in terms of badges or credentials, at the same time, we want to deliver coins, tokens, within our ecosystem. It's not for making money. It's about making our ecosystem more powerful. Because the idea is that if you can exchange tokens, the students, alumni, teachers, employee, we can make our ecosystem environment more powerful. They will be exchanging or sharing knowledge. Okay? Moreover, what I would like to see is that they can help our foundations. We would like to show them we have social projects that you can collaborate by being a volunteer and earning tokens or donating your ISDI tokens to the foundation. So I hope we can have this Q2 next year. This was the final slide. I hope you find interesting. I think it's not only for education. Maybe you can translate it to any kind of business. It's about having customers or users, and you want to recognize or you want to let them know that they have something, they need something that you want to guarantee to the rest of the world. It's kind of how can we translate this solution to any other business model, and that is the idea that I wanted to share with you. So thank you very much for your attention. If you want to collaborate, you want to share knowledge, please contact me because we are very open to new ideas. So it will be great. Thank you very much.